Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Yahoo password without the email or the phone number. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, either you're on the login page for Yahoo on your iPhone, Android, or computer, it works the exact same, or you might just be on yahoo.com and wanting to log in and maybe check your email. So let's tap on sign in here. And you can see in my case, it just autofills what that email is. However, let's say you don't have that. The first thing that you need is your username. Keep in mind your username is just your email address without the @yahoo.com after it. So let me enter that in. If you don't know yours, you can just hit forgot username. But in my case, I'm going to enter that in now. And after I've done that, I can hit next. Now, this is key. After I've done that, it might find a passkey to be able to use either your face or your fingerprint without knowing the password. You can automatically just log in. This is set up on a lot of iPhones and Androids. However, in this case, let's hit try signing in another way. And then on here, it says password. But of course, in this case, we're presuming that you don't know that password. So I'm going to hit the forgot password button. And after you've done that, this is key. So these are all of the recovery email addresses and phone numbers that it has associated with your account. This is the first step. However, in most cases, you probably don't have that email address or the phone number. If you do, you can see I can get an email or a text message or even a WhatsApp code sent to me. However, if you go through all of these and maybe you don't have access to that phone number or access to that email address, there are other ways to be able to sign into your account. The nice thing is we can choose the select another option here and then call customer support. You'll be able to see just like this, I can call a phone number and provide them this one-time code. Essentially, by providing this code and calling into customer support through Yahoo, a lot of times they'll be able to recover your account. However, keep in mind on here, you can see if I type in Yahoo support cost and basically search for this, it will say after you scroll through here and check on a lot of these, you can see Yahoo subscription and Yahoo premium services. You might need to sign up, essentially pay them some money to be able to talk to them on the phone and help recover your account. So if it's important enough to you, you'll pay them a little bit of money to help recover your account. Keep in mind when you do go through this process and you do try to sign in and essentially recover your account and get that password, they might ask for a driver's license. They might ask for a passport or something to verify that you are the actual owner of that account if you don't have access to the phone number or that email address. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.